Hello sir, hello ma'am. I am Gauri Rakesh Bendre. Today's session I will discuss about what is the polymorphism in the Java. The polymorphism is the OOPS concept in the Java. Polymorphism means poly and morphs. That is, it is a Greek word. Poly means many and many form. Polymorphism means many forms. So there are the two types of the polymorphism. One is runtime polymorphism and second is compile time polymorphism. So let us discuss about runtime polymorphism. The runtime polymorphism means we can the polymorphism is at the polymorphism is exists at the execution time is called as a runtime polymorphism. The runtime polymorphism we can achieve the using method overriding. The method overriding means the superclass and subclass have the same methods but different parameters. It's known as a method.
Incoming voice call from +91 91588 7233.
It's called as a method overriding. Then method overriding, there are some rules. That is, in method overriding, first in method overriding is a part of the JVM. It's a part of a JVM. It's not a part of the compile time. That is, JVM is handle the runtime polymorphism. There are some rules. That is, first JVM check that these methods is overloaded. The subclass method is present in the superclass method is present in the subclass. If it is present, then it is overloaded or not. If it is overloaded, then 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 JVM call the only subclass method. So it's a rule. Then compile time polymorphism. The compile time polymorphism means the polymorphism is exist at the compile time. It's called as a compile time polymorphism. It's a in compile time polymorphism the big role of the compiler. So it's a not part of the JVM. The compiler is already know how which method is called, how to call, which method is called. So it's a big role of the compiler. So compile time polymorphism we can achieve the method overloading. So what's the method overloading means the at the same class have a same method but different in the same class have a same methods but different parameters is called as a method overloading. The real-time example of the runtime polymorphism is the bank is a superclass and Axis Bank is a extender. In bank, one show method, that is rate of interest. Then Axis Bank is extender bank. Then again in Axis Bank method is rate of interest. So then third ICICI Bank is extend the bank. So it's also its method is a rate of interest. So it is a same method but different behavior. Like that, in Axis Bank, ICICI Bank have a different rate of interest as compared to the bank. So it's a same name but different behavior. So it's a real time of the runtime polymorphism. In compile time polymorphism, we can suppose we take a one class. There are the one method, that is add have we can pass the two parameters, integer a and integer b, and we can addition of two number. Then again second method add integer x and double integer y. Then we can add again second again we can add the again two numbers. So it's a method overloading is performed. Then we can call at the time of call we can pass the argument for its for pass the argument in the constructor. That's time compiler is know which method is first called. So is a compile time is a big role in the compiler polymorphism. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.